Right here. Uh-oh. Is someone knocking? Is someone knocking? Is that Rod knock? Rod, you're not welcome here. It even looks like there's an R on there. Look at Rod knock. Look at that. This one's not, this one doesn't move. This one moves. Look at that. Bearing's completely shot. Look at all these metallic bearing shavings are in here. That's oil. Is that gray? Yeah.